J.D. Ohaike Luis Vallejo, CAT Facilitator, Sergeant Ricardo Laurino Jr., PM Reserve, DBC Coordinator, Mr. Gilbert Puliero, Administrator, Mr. John Erwin Metran, Mr. J.B. Hernandez, Color Guard Instructor, Mr. John Michael Rediso, Drumline Instructor, Mr. Dito Pardo and Mr. Ryan Kierta, Major Coordinator, Miss Madeline Ibarra. Entry number 14, Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated. Thank you. Entry number 14, Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated, San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 15, Eusebia Paz Arroyo Memorial National High School, Bulwang.